Hello guys, this is Jocelyn Flamenco and today we're going to learn about the verb to be. Let's start. The verb to be is the most important verb to learn in English. It is also the most complicated one. In the present tense, it has three forms: am, is, and are. The verb to be changes with the subject to am, is, or are. The structural formation of the verb to be is the following: subject pronouns plus the form of the verb. We have to remember which are the forms or which are the subject pronouns, and these are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. You is singular or plural. Let's see. Here we have I, we, you. Remember, you can be singular or plural. You, she, he, they, and it. We use the verb to be in the following situations. Number one, exist. There is nothing here. We use the verb to be. There is nothing here. Number two, happens. The party is tonight. Number three, located. I am at home. Number four, shows identity. He is a singer. Number five, personal information. My name is Alan. Number six, shows a quality. She's beautiful. Number seven, weather. It is cold today. Number eight, feelings. You are angry. Number nine, they're 14 years. The structure for the affirmative sentence in the verb to be are is the following. Now we have to write noun plus the verb to be plus the complement. Let's see the example. Mary is intelligent. Here we have the noun Mary, the verb to be we're using is, and the complement it is an adjective intelligent. Now let's see. I am a teacher. You are in the room. He is my best friend. She is a good student. It is a cold day. We are students. They are my friends. Okay, guys, let's repeat after me, please. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. Very good. Now, the short form of the verb to be is this one. I'm, your, his, his, it, we're, your, and their. These are the contraction form or the short form of the verb to be with the pronouns. Now, to make negative sentence, we use the following structure. We use noun plus the verb to be plus the particle not plus complement. Let's see the example. As now we have Mary, the verb to be is the particle not. Remember the particle not, we're going to write it after the verb to be plus the complement that is intelligent. So we have the sentence. Mary is not intelligent. Now, the negative form, as I said before, we write not after the verb to be, and we can use contractions also. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, and they aren't. Remember, we can use contractions with the verb to be and the particle not, except with the am. We can use contraction in I am, I'm not, but we can't say we can join these two. So we can use a contraction am not. The structure for the interrogative form is the following. We use verb to be plus complement. And here is the answer. Is Mary intelligent? Let's see. The verb to be plus noun plus intelligent. That is the complement. Now here is the structure. Am I a teacher? Are you in the room? It's he, my best friend. And if you notice, we write a question mark at the end of the sentence, only at the end of the sentence. We don't write a question mark at the beginning of the sentence, just only at the end of the sentence. Is she a good student? Is it a cold day? Are we students? Are they my friends? So guys, that is all for now. Bye bye. Take care.